Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this mini cap keychain. It's very quick and easy to do since I am using basic crochet stitches like single crochets, half double crochets and double crochets. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to crochet this mini cap keychain are a 2.5 mm crochet hook, any colored 4-ply cotton yarn as per your choice, a key ring, stitch marker, tapestry needle and scissors. So let's begin. First make a magic circle. And into this magic circle work 6 single crochets. Once you are done with 6 single crochets, pull the tail of the magic circle to close it. And to end this round, we need not work any slip stitch as we'll be working in rounds. So that ends the first round. Now for the second round, going into the first single crochet, work an increase. That is, you'll be working 2 single crochets into the same stitch. So this is the first single crochet, and once you are done with the first single crochet, put a marker to mark the first stitch of the second round. Now going back into the same stitch, work 1 more single crochet. So the sequence of this round is to work 2 single crochet per stitch. So by end of the second round, you will be having 12 single crochets. So just continue till you reach the marker. So I come to the end of the second round by working 12 single crochets. Now to start with the third round, remove the stitch marker and going into the stitch, work 1 single crochet. Now mark the stitch. Now going into the second stitch, work an increase, that is 2 single crochets into the same stitch. So the sequence of this round is to work a single crochet into the first stitch followed by an increase into the second stitch. So just continue with this sequence till the end of the round. So I've come to the end of the third round by working 18 single crochets. Now for the fourth round, remove the marker and into the mark stitch, work the first single crochet of the fourth round. Put the marker. Going into the second stitch, work 1 more single crochet and into the third stitch, work an increase, that is 2 single crochet into the same stitch. So the sequence of this round is to work 1 single crochet into the first 2 stitches followed by an increase, that is 2 single crochet into the third stitch. So just continue with the sequence till the end of the round. So I come to the end of the fourth round, and at the end of the fourth round in total I have 24 single crochets. Now for the next 4 rounds, that is from round 5 to round 8, I won't be working any increases. So going into each of the stitches, just work 1 single crochet. So to start with the fifth round, remove the stitch marker and going into the mark stitch, work a single crochet. Put the marker to mark the first stitch of the fifth round. Now going into each of the stitches, work a single crochet. So this needs to be done till you reach round 8. So once I am done with my 8th round, I shall get back. So this is how our cap looks after the completion of 8th round. Now work 1 slip stitch into the first stitch. Now let's start with the 9th round. In the 9th round, we'll be working the brim of the cap. In order to make the brim, we'll be working on the front loops of the stitches. So going into the next stitch, on the front loop, work one more slip stitch. Now for working the brim, we need to follow a particular sequence. So just watch out the sequence carefully. Now going into the front loop of the next stitch, work one single crochet. Into the next stitch, on the front loop, work one half double crochet. Into the next 5 stitches, working on front loops, we'll be making double crochet increases. So going into the next stitch, on the front loop, work 2 double crochets. Now this you'll be repeating 4 more times. So in total I have worked 10 double crochets. Now going into the next stitch, on the front loop, work one half double crochet. And into the next stitch, work one single crochet. Followed by one slip stitch into the next stitch. We'll be working one more slip stitch, but this time we'll be going through both the loops. And that ends the 9th round. Now cut this yarn and leave about 15 centimeter of yarn, which we'll be using to sew the keyring to the cap. So here we have worked the brim of the cap. Now put this yarn into the tapestry needle. So I put the yarn into the tapestry needle. Also I have marked the center stitch on the back side. So we'll be just going through the stitches so as to reach the marker. Once you have reached the mark stitch, remove the marker and going to the mark stitch, attach this keyring along the cap. Go through the stitches on the cap as well as the keyring multiple number of times. So that completes our mini cap keychain tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.